Yeah.
So what you do is you take out that nut, take out that, and then basically it's a question of just picking the thing up high enough with a hoist
Right.
or something, you know, and get wiggling out the original tank,
right.
and then wiggling in this one, and this one you see there's the hose there going. See that hose? The hose goes there. From
Yeah, I
this,
see that.
and the normal outlet heads off to the fuel pump. You can see the fuel pump is on the front of the engine. Right. Oh, so that's fuel pump there. Right? Right? And so that's the hose coming around here. This hose coming through that.
It's only $30 for the whole thing.
Yeah, this thing here is 39, whatever. I'd say 40 bucks. Probably. I don't know what shipping is with those Bass Pro Shops, but they're the ones that had the most of them in stock on that SKU, you know. And so this had a round thing here, right?
Yeah.
And so I cut from there to there to there, and then I had to make a V here so I could get this on and off.
Yeah, it has a register on it.
And you can see that that's the register there, right? Okay.
That's pretty cool.
It's a very cool thing, and this shit. So the other thing, you used to have to look at that window there, you know,
To see where it was.
to see where that. And if you didn't paint the window, well, then the UV edges and it would crack in a matter of a couple of years.
Right, that's the reason.
And this thing is D.O.T. and Coast Guard certified. So you're replacing a tank that's certified for nothing, consumer item,
Right.
with the U.S. Coast Guard and D.O.T. You know, because they can't put this in a boat and have it blow up or leak.
Right. It's not. This isn't going to crack.
No.
It's for the L series. Something
The L series has a whole lot of different models. It's 110, 140, 150.